Whoa. Oh, you'll have to excuse me. I just came home from work. So, hello, peeps. I got another box. A rather huge box. FabFitFun for the fall came in. I did, excuse all the ums. Apparently I can't think today. There is one add-on in my box that I know of because I added it. But let's see what else is in here. I don't honestly remember. So, what I picked. And then we'll both have fun. Let's see, how am I gonna... Trying to make that fit underneath the marble figurines. There we go. Ta-da! Okay, we don't care about that. That's just the bill for the add-on. So my add-on was the Beauty Bakery Breakfast in Bed eyeshadow palette. Because why not? Trying to push it out without damaging the packaging. There we go. Alright, so I don't remember what the bill was for this. I think it was like $8. Yeah, it doesn't even say on there. So I don't remember. It was a decent price though for how big this is. Oh my goodness. Oh, those are pretty. I like those. Yawning, forehead kisses, cuddle cakes. I like those colors. Those are really pretty. Sorry, I'm just looking a little bit closer. So, okay. So we got that. See if I can't get the cover back on. See if I'm truly a gifted one. Maybe, maybe not. Oh, or maybe I am. Okay, so we got that. Okay, so now on to the regular box. Gotta do that with that. Oh, my stuff. So much stuff. Okay, so the magazine, which we'll look at in a few minutes. Coupons for, let's see, $15 off first FabFitFun box, which I'll offer to one of my buddies, and HelloFresh for decent. I might offer that up to one of my buddies. I'd use it if I could, but I was already a customer there, so not happening. So, oh, and one more for wine, it looks like. So, let's see. We're just going to pick one. Okay. So, we have the Beauty Crop Glow Milk, coconut and argan oil. It's cute packaging. Liquid Radiance in a bottle. Create a long-lasting lit. Champagne-colored liquid highlighter. And it's vegan. How did they... I'm so good. How did they seal this? Okay, you know what? We're going to go in. We're going to go in through the bottom. Because I really want to see this. Of course, they taped it from the bottom. Okay, maybe not. Maybe we're going to grab some scissors. I'm just going to set that over there by the knife that I used to open up the box. So, oh, that's not a bad color, actually. Nice. Nourished with coconut oil. I'm not entirely sure if I'm going to be able to use this or not. Just because sometimes I have a reaction to coconut milk products. So, we'll find out. I'll try it on another day. Let's see, what else? What else we got in here? Santal Noir Room Spray. Santal? Trying to figure out what that scent would even... Daniel Stone Santal Room Spray. Sandalwood, cardamom, and sandalwood, orchid, amber musk. I mean, it sounds good, in all honesty. But, get off my finger. Dumb tape. Oh, and then it does that. Actually, I kind of like that. Smells very Day at the Spa-ish. So I'm enjoying that. Maybe not something to spray in the room, like if I'm trying to go to bed, but if I'm trying to freshen up the room before company comes over, I would definitely use that. Let's see what else we got. Ernzo Laszlo, New York. Exfoliate and Detox Pore Cleansing Clay Mask. I think this is one of the ones I did pick. So apparently fall means beauty-centric. Oh my goodness. That is humongous. But I might have to try that out later on tonight because I am having some skin issues. Eeny, meeny, miny, moe. Okay, I guess I can wrap that. Body wash infused buffers. Oh, so one of the Spongelli. Sweet cedarwood. I might like it. I mean, cedarwood. Cedarwood. I don't know. I find with cedarwood, it's either one of two things. It's really overpowering, or it's kind of nice. As I sit here and trying to get the doggone sponge out of the packaging. So just a sponge and it has the stuff in it. I do like that. Smells kind of like if you walked into like a candle store, like not Yankee Candle, but similar, I guess would be. Oh, got something on my nose. But it is nice. I mean, very, very earthy, very... I don't know that hippie's the right word, but we all know where I'm going. That kind of mom and pop, like candle shop type thing. Let's see. Stress reliever. Hair oil. Oh, okay. So, use your fingers to apply oil into scalp and hair. Massage lightly. Shampoo and rinse after 1 hour or later. Oh, okay. Interesting. Let's see. What else we got? Necklace. I think this was one of the other things I picked. I think. I don't entirely remember what I picked. So I'm just... I remembered picking the clay mask. Because, I mean, it's a clay mask. How could you go wrong with that? Unless you pick something you know you're freaking allergic to. Alright. There we go. So, Jenny Bird is the brand. And it came all tangled up here. But, oh, okay. But it's a nice little, weird little teardrop type deal. And it just has super long cord. Well, I do have to dress nicer for work now, so yay. And it looks like it's just, okay, and then that's wrapped up in like plastic wrap, whatnot, to make sure it stays nice. Okay. So, okay, so we got that. Some sort of mason jar type tumbler. Trying so hard. As you guys can see, I finally have a nice set of nails. I'm trying so hard not to break them as I open all the things. All right. Oh. So, okay, so we got a nice little koozie, mason tops. That worked. Oh, it's just the care instructions. Okay. So, actually, that's actually pretty nice. Oh, it sounds like actual glass. Oh, it is actual glass. Well, look at that. I'm just going to put that back in there for now. And we'll stick that on top of all the things. And then there's one last thing in here, and I think it's a tote bag. I was right. It is a tote bag. It's a smaller tote bag. But that's okay. I mean, that's kind of cute. It's not all that big. I mean, it's just big enough. Like if you were going to go on a day trip or something, or maybe like purse size, a little bit bigger than a regular purse, but it's got a couple of pockets in there, and yeah. I mean, my purse isn't this big, but it's nice. Okay, so. Anything else left in here? Okay, nothing. Ah! I almost took down my shelving. Let's not do that because that's like screwed into the wall. Alright. So we're gonna... Too many things! Okay, so we're gonna put that there. Ah! Keep running over things. Back here. Okay, so we got a very beauty-centric type bag this month, and that's okay. I mean, sometimes a chick needs a little extra beauty, you know? So, just clearing off some room for the magazine so then we can go through and circle all the things for... there's my pen. For everything in the box, so we can do a total. Now, remember I said the eye palette is extra, so that's not going to be part of this as I move things around. I am so sorry. Okay, so here's the bag. 1A. So, wow, seriously? That little tote bag is $128? Wow. Okay. Alrighty. I'm chill. I'm gonna go with it. Keep having to move things. One day I will have a better spot to do these, but for now, this is what it is. Let's see. So what do they say about that bond tote? Spacious carry-all to hold your laptop, makeup bag, and without weighing you down. I don't know that I'd want to put a laptop in that bag. Maybe a tablet? But I think a laptop would really kind of, like, hurt a little bit. Speaking as someone who works in IT, there's not really any padding in there. But, I mean, maybe unless you were one of those super chic people that... Chic people, there we go, that always travels with, like, a mini MacBook or a MacBook Pro or something, yeah, okay, maybe, but I probably wouldn't use it for a laptop. Let's see. Okay, and then we've got 2F, which is the mask, and that's 48. Mark these down as we go. Okay, so 128, 48. I mean, so far, just with that one product alone, we've already paid for the bag itself. And then, or the box itself. It looks like 3B. Okay. And that's the Jenny Bird. Holy buckets, 115? So what they say about that one? Hand formed, drop, delicately stamped, high polished curved chain, and is layered with a box chain. Oh, okay. So that's why there's so many. That's why there's so much back here. Okay. So it's a dual chain. Okay, that makes sense. Let's see. 3E. I'm just looking because there is a palette listed in here. I know it's not mine. So, but just to try and remind myself how much so it would normally be $38. And again, I think I spent like $8 to $10. So I'm just going to put that off to the side. 38 BB. Oh, my goodness. Okay, so then we've got 4A. Mason Tops glass water bottle with neoprene in turquoise. So that's 35. Any of our other... Oh, there's the stress reliever. 5C. $75. Holy shnikes. Well, I hope it's some good stuff. And then over here we've got 6C and 8C. And which one did we get? Did we get 01? Yeah, we got 01 and 7C. Okay, so C is the game. Sorry. I'm tired. It's been a very long day, long weekend. Okay, so 6C is the Spongele boxed flower and sweet cedar wood. That's $16. It looks like you can use it for up to 14 times, so sweet. Pun intended, since it's sweet cedar wood. Sorry, don't mind me. Bad jokes all around. Let's see. Okay, so 7C. Stone candles, room spray, and Santal Noir, musky, sandalwood, and cardamom. Yep. 36. And then 8C, Beauty Crop Glow Milk, 1950. In blind date. Okay. I didn't notice that. 1950, so yeah, I'm just going to put down for 20, and then I'm going to remember to take 50 cents off. Minus 0.5. Okay. So, hold on one second while I add this all up. Holy shnikes. Okay, so if I did my math right, and by the way, no, it's not Common Core math. There you go. This is old school. Kate grew up with learn your columns. So if I did all my math right, the box this month is $463. Holy shnikes. I only paid $50 for it. That's it. But dang. So yeah, I may have to offer one of these boxes or discount or a starter box or something to one of my girlfriends and see if they want to try it out, they might enjoy it, or their husbands might kill me and go, why are you telling my wife to get all these things? Not, just sharing the love. That's all there is to it. So, yeah. Let's see. Home decor tips. Pumpkin spice recipes. Ugh. If you're someone who likes pumpkin spice, good for you. Have at it. I don't like pumpkin. Well, I like roasted pumpkin seeds. I'm not big on pumpkin pie. Like, I'll eat it at somebody else's house if it's offered, just to be polite, but I don't care for pumpkin pie myself. I don't even like chai. Pumpkin spice anything is a no for me. No. So, we got some of those. We've got the bulkier. Yeah, that tote bag just looks so much bigger on her than it really does in person. Oh well. I mean, maybe... No, I still wouldn't put a laptop in there. No. I like the backpack, but... I get weird. I'm very particular about my bags. So we got this how to celebrate your success. A bunch of exclusive offers. Oh, those are cute. 80 other reasons. I'll have to look at those. Anyway. Yeah. And there they've got the stressy thing and the word search, all that good stuff. Anyway, so that's our box. I'm rather happy with this. I have yet to have a bad box from FabFitFun. I can't justify being an exclusive or one of their select members for the much higher price, where I could choose everything. I kind of enjoy getting the surprise, and knowing I've picked out one or two things, but then the rest of it is kind of curated around that. So I said I was only going to do this for maybe a year. This may actually stick around for a little bit more than a year, just because I like it so much. So that's the video. Holy shnikes, we're over 20 minutes. I am so sorry, you guys. But I did also get notice that the July Marvel Gear and Goods box is finally coming. It should be here Thursday, so there will be another video. And the Funko Marvel Collector Core box from Amazon will be coming at the end of the month. And that one is themed Marvel Zombie. I have no idea which ones are in there, though. I kind of find the Marvel Zombies a little gross, to be honest. So, but the Gear and Goods boxes, probably as soon as we're done with this color series, because September is yellow. I don't know what November is going to be, because so far we've done red, blue, black, purple, gold. Maybe the last box would be green. Maybe? I don't know. But as soon as we're done with this color series, I'm probably going to call it quits, because it's cool, but I'm holding on to less from those. So, we got that. I don't know what I'm going to do. Call out the Funko Collector Core box. Kind of depends on wall stuff. Oh, that's right. I told you guys I was going to show you the wall. So, well, hold on a second. So there we go. I had people asking what my Funko wall was looking like these days, and that's what it's looking like. And I'm still missing 3 or 4 of my Funkos. I have like 3 or 4 on order, but there we go. There's the Funko wall. Woo woo. Yeah. So that's all I got. And if I keep going, I'm gonna end up rambling. So I'm gonna stop. And I'll just see you guys in a few days. Laters.